If your business data is everywhere, bring it all together with Zap Data Hub. Pre-built role-based dashboards deliver instant insight through in-browser analytics. Customize or create your own with our no-code designer. Powerful enough to handle cross-module reporting and advanced analytics with our complete function suite. All pre-built dashboards are also available in Power BI. Use either BI tool with all our pre-built content. Our integration builds and syncs with the data model, providing data governance and faster time to value. Leverage full financial reporting directly in the browser, with drill through even on calculated cells. Richly formatted report packs streamline month-end reporting. Our uniquely powerful Excel add-on delivers lightning-fast performance on Zap's modern architecture. Access financial and operational data across all systems. Let's see the magic behind the scenes. Automated data prep. Start with a pre-built model for 80% of your data and analytics foundation, accelerating time to value. Combine your ERP with HR, CRM, and other business-critical systems into a data warehouse. The model overview screen is where it all happens. Data sources and pipelines automate data flow into the data warehouse. Each pipeline automates loading for a source table, with easy column selection, even for user-defined fields. Preview the data at any time. Easily manage table relationships, including automated analytical dimensions where available. When the source data needs work, Zap Data Hub offers no-code transforms, simple filtering, and functions. Automatic setup handles measures, hierarchies, and more, combining pre-built content with intelligent detection, all open for configuration. Transform your business with Zap Data Hub and don't risk another decision on bad data.